If you are looking for one-level living on a quiet cul-de-sac, then 119 Worplesdon is a must-see in Ford's Colony. Welcome into the open foyer. You will find the private home office just to the right. This space is perfect for productivity. Enjoy working in this light-filled office with Palladian windows, a gas fireplace and built-in cabinetry. French doors offer privacy. The bright, inviting living room will greet guests immediately. This room offers skylights and a second gas fireplace. Entertaining is easy with this open connected floor plan. The spacious dining room flows beautifully into the sunroom. Relax and recharge in the natural light-filled sunroom. Bask in the private wooded views. Enjoy easy flow out to the deck. Perfect for outdoor entertaining or simply taking in the private backyard. This charming garden adds much to the mature landscape of the yard. Enjoy your evenings relaxing by the fire pit. The charming shed offers just the right storage for your outdoor equipment, toys, and more. Friends and family will gather in the bright, open eat-in kitchen. The painted cabinetry is accented with a timeless tile backsplash, granite counters, and stainless appliances. This kitchen offers plenty of storage. The large window fills the kitchen with natural light and offers a serene view for casual meals. Begin and end your days in the luxury of the spacious primary bedroom. Enjoy private access to the back deck. The spacious ensuite bath offers double sinks and a custom walk-in closet. Relax in the soaking tub with a wooded view at the window or the walk-in tiled shower. The opposite side of the house offers 2 additional guest bedrooms. The 2 guest bedrooms share a Jack and Jill full bath. Are you ready to come home to a mature landscape, a quiet cul-de-sac, and all of the amenities that Ford's Colony offers? Come see 119 Worplesdon today, before it is gone.